Bonjour à vous. Hello everyone. Fifth grade students, as you know, we have done the adjectives in the previous video. So there is an adjective in French. We have to convert the adjective into masculine singular, masculine plural. So it is petit. Petit. With plural you have to put s. Petit means small. And with girls you have to put e at the end. Now it is petite. Petite. Okay, and with girls plural you have to put es. So petite, petite. Now we will do the next page, that is your page number 47 in your main book. So let us learn a few adjectives. So we have two parts. First is singular, singular, plural, plural. So first is masculin, femina, masculin, femina, masculin singular, femina singular, masculin plural, femina plural. So like petit we have done. We will do some more adjectives. So first is grand. Grand. Grand means tall. And with female we have to add e. Now it become grande. It is grand. It is grande. Last letter is silent. So here d is silent. But here e is silent. So it is grand, grande. Grand, grande. Now with plural, the pronunciation same grand, grande, but you have to add s at the end. Okay. Now next intelligent, intelligent, intelligente, intelligent, intelligente, intelligent, intelligente, jolie, 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 same for all the four, same. Mouve, mouve, mouve means bad. Mouve means bad and jolie means pretty. Mouve means bad. Now when you put e at the end, it will become mauvaise. So it is mouve, it is mauvaise. Mouve, mauvaise, mouve, mauvaise means bad. Now lay means ugly. Lid, ugly. This is for boy, this is for girl. Lay, lid, lay, lid. Students, in plurals the pronunciation will same. Okay, so please keep it in your mind. Content, content means happy. Contente, it means also happy but for female. So content, contente, content, contente. Mécontent, unhappy. Mécontente, unhappy. Mécontent, unhappy for plural. Mécontente, unhappy for plural, femina. I think I hope this table is clear to you. How to convert in French? We have to convert everything into male, female, male, plural, female, plural. Now this is the way how you will convert into this category. Now you know we have some exceptions. Exceptions are those words that are changed, little bit change from the rule. I told you this rule, this table, this is the rule, but some words are not following the rules. They are little bit change. How? For example, these are some words. Mons means slim. It is already ending with e. With male also. With male, the words are not ending with e. With female, the words are ending with e. But because these are exceptions, means these are some change. They are having some change. So this word with male, it is already ending with e. So whenever the word is already ending with e into male, we will not change. No, we will not change it into a female form. So it will remain same for both, for male or female. Okay, students? And s you have to add. Now gross. Gross is that word. It is saying to make me plural, you have to double the last s and then add e according to the rule. Like as Bone also saying, if you want to make me plural, you have to just double the n and then put e. Okay. Like as Jontil is saying, to make me plural, don't put e, put el. Double the last consonant and then put e. So for these three words, please learn that here you have to double the consonant. You have to double the last consonant, that is last letter, that is s, n and l. Double it and then put e. Okay, because they are exceptions and they have some changes, and with s it is same as we have to put s. Now in English we use handsome for boy, handsome, but for girls we use beautiful. Yes, so we have beau, beau means handsome, and belle means beautiful. Okay, so there is a difference between beau and belle. So that's why they are exceptions and they have some changes. And with plural, I have told you earlier also, whenever the word is ending with eu, au, eau, to make it into plural form, we will not put s, we put x and x. So here we have done, if the word is ending with eu, au, eau, then we will put xxx. Okay. So student, the beau is there and x we will do and s we will do for belle. Now sympathic means kind, and empathic means unkind. So if it is already ending with e, so we will not change it, just this. So 5th grade student, for today I am giving you the homework only to do this part, only to understand how we are doing this part. So if in the next exercise, in the next class we will do the exercises related to this. Until that, do one more thing. There is one more topic on the same page. Contraire means opposite. Grand I told you, grand means tall, grand. Now petit means small. Gros means fat. Mos means slim. Bon means good. Mauvais means bad. Belle means beautiful. Laid means ugly. So learn these words also. So today's your homework is do page number 47, or try to understand the concept given on page number 47. Okay student, au revoir, bye bye, abhiyanto.